In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Google Classroom. Starting off, we all know Google Classroom has become an integral part of educational practices, allowing educators and students to interact seamlessly. Whether you're a teacher aiming to share educational videos, or a student wanting to submit a video assignment, Google Classroom facilitates this process in a straightforward manner. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to get your video up and running on this platform. Our journey begins with navigating to google.com. It's the gateway to accessing all of Google's services, including Classroom. Once you're on Google's homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Sign In button. Clicking this will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for Google Classroom. This could be your personal account or one provided by your educational institution. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to input your password. Type it in carefully and proceed by clicking on the Next button. This is a crucial step as it ensures the security and privacy of your Google account. Following a successful login, you'll notice the Google Apps menu, a small grid of dots located at the top right corner just beside your profile image. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu containing various Google services. Among these options, you'll find Google Classroom. Selecting this will take you directly into the Classroom environment. Now you're in the Google Classroom dashboard. It's here that you can access all your classes. If you're managing or participating in multiple classes, make sure to go to the specific classroom where you intend to upload your video. This keeps everything organized and ensures that the right audience sees your content. Once inside your classroom, you'll see different sections like Stream, Classwork, and People. Click on the Stream section. It's the area where announcements, discussions, and updates are posted. It's also where you'll share the video with your class. Look for the Announce Something to Your Class button. This is your gateway to sharing content directly with your students or classmates. Upon clicking this, you'll notice several options to add content to your announcement. One of these options is YouTube, which allows you to add videos directly from YouTube. However, if your content is more personal or specific to your classroom and you prefer not to navigate through YouTube, there's also an option to upload directly from your computer. This flexibility is particularly useful for sharing unique class-specific videos or projects. If you choose to go the YouTube route, you'll simply need to type in relevant search keywords to find the video you're looking for. Once you've located the perfect video, click on it and then select Add Video to include it in your announcement. It's a seamless way to integrate multimedia resources that can enhance your teaching or presentation. But remember, if the video exists on your device, opt for the Upload button, allowing you to navigate through your files and select the video you wish to share. Whether it's a recorded lesson, a student project, or an educational resource, this option directly uploads the content to Google Classroom. Once your video is selected either via YouTube or from your computer, your next step is to click on Post. This makes your video visible to everyone in the class. It's an exciting moment because it marks the culmination of your effort, now ready to be shared with and benefit your intended audience. Throughout this process, it's essential to be mindful of video format and size specifications, ensuring that your video is compatible with Google Classroom and accessible to all students, regardless of the device they use. In wrapping up, uploading a video to Google Classroom is a straightforward process. Whether sharing educational content or submitting assignments, it not only enhances learning experiences but also fosters a dynamic and interactive classroom environment. With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate Google Classroom confidently, making the most of its features to support your educational objectives. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Embrace the power of video in your Google Classroom to create engaging and effective learning experiences. Happy teaching and learning,